how to set up Hey Google on Android device. So if you want to set up Hey Google, then what you can do is first open up your settings, and then after opening your settings, now you can simply go for the search settings or the search bar and then search for Hey Google. And after searching, here you will have Hey Google and voice match option. Go for that, which is Google Assistant, and here you have to turn on your Hey Google service. Simply turn that on, and after turning that on, here it says that it will ask you some questions, and it will give you directions or get things done. So you can turn this off anytime. So if you want to access your assistant with Hey Google option, you can simply go for I agree, which is on the bottom right, and then again tap on I agree, and here you have to say the sentence which it is showing on your screen. So simply read that loud. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? And simply read all of the sentences which it is showing you. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. And after that, tap on next, which is on the bottom right. Again tap on next, and now tap on I agree, which is on the bottom right. And that's it. That's how you turn on your Hey Google mode. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.